Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the printer driver package cannot be installed on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. See, here's the thing. You need to install the correct drivers. For example, I use a Canon 3010 printer. Simply search for it and then go for the appropriate drivers. Now, in my case, I use the 3010 series drivers, but I wouldn't have known it. So the best way to find it out is to simply search it on Bing or Google and then go to the first option. Try downloading this one, okay, and then open it and install it. If it works, well and good. If it doesn't work, then you will have to contact your printer manufacturer for the correct printer drivers. And once this is installed, you do not need to use this setup. All you need to do is right click on the start button, select settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, printers and scanners, add device, and then you can add the printer directly from here. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.